prices, they're holding, but sales, they're actually down. Terminations, they're way up, and condos, they're quietly piling up on the market. Well, detached homes, they're getting all the action right now. So what is actually happening? In this video, I'm breaking down the April 2025 numbers for the Greater Toronto Area, including condos, townhomes, semis, and detached homes, so you can actually understand what's happening and how it impacts you. If you're thinking of buying, you're thinking of selling, and if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to share with you why the market might not be crashing in the way that some people expected, and why that's a bigger opportunity than it actually looks right now. So let's get into the actual numbers here. So let's start the video with the big picture. We're covering Toronto, York, Peel, and Halton. This is the GTA market update we're going to talk about today. The median price across all property types actually rose up 2.5% to $1 million. Sales volume was actually up slightly, 3.5%, but still 29% down compared to last year, same time. New listings, believe it or not, they actually surged 8.7% month over month, showing that more sellers are actually entering the market. Is this the spring market? It's possible, but 70% of homes right now, they're selling below asking price, and the average day on market jumped up a couple days to 19 days. There's 691 listings that were terminated in the last month. That's actually up 19.5% month over month and 39% compared to April 2024. So buyers, they're taking a lot longer right now. Sellers, they're definitely getting frustrated, and the market, it's clearly adjusting. Let's talk about those condo apartments. It's getting hit the hardest across the GTA. The median price is now $602,500, down 1.2% month over month and down 7.3% year over year. Sales volume here is down 8.5% from March and nearly 38% from the last year. 82% of condos right now are selling below asking price. Average days on market for condos has now shot up to 26 days, up an additional 2 days from the previous month. That's not all though. We have terminations of almost 2,500. That's 14.5% higher than last month, nearly 40% higher than a year ago. The translation I have for you guys here is there's just too much supply. There's not enough serious demand out there, and the buyers, they're extremely hesitant right now. That sellers, they're starting to get squeezed out here. Condos are quickly becoming one of the most negotiable properties across the GTA. Condo townhomes, a little bit of a different story. They're feeling the pressure too, but it's not quite as heavy and intense. The median price here is $748,950, down 2.7%. Sales volume here is fairly flat. There's no change month over month, but 36% down from the previous year. 69% of these are actually selling below the list price. And terminations, once again, they're up 30% month over month. These homes are usually the stepping stone for first-time home buyers and downsizers from the condo or from the detached. But when the condo apartment market slows down, this segment tends to get pulled down a little bit more with it. Still, the average sale to list ratio here is 98.5%, suggesting that while the pricing is still softer, some of these buyers are still showing up for the right product. Now, I want to shift into some of these attached townhomes, not the condo townhomes. So we're going to shift to these with a median price of $985,000. We're actually only down 1.6% here. 65.9% still below the asking price, and we're talking about 17 days on market with these properties. Sales volume is holding really steady, up 0.7% from last month. Not big, but still massive in today's market. New listings, we're up 16%, suggesting confidence on the seller side of things, which is a rarity in this market. So these homes, they sit in the middle, not quite at the entry level, but not luxury either. They're becoming more appealing ultimately to the buyers that want more space and the buyers who actually want to come down from one of these detached properties. And the detached properties are hard to achieve, so this is why they're getting a lot more attention. Now, here is where I really want to get into something that's interesting. The semi-detached homes, they're actually moving. The median price here is now $1,045,000, down only 1.5%. Sales volume is up 12.4% month over month right now. 48.8% of the homes are selling over asking price still, which is a very big number in today's market. The days on market is only 13. Imagine having your semi-detached home actually sell in less than 2 weeks right now. Terminations, though, they are up 37.8%, but this segment is one of the hottest ones relative to the others. Now, there are a few different categories where buyers are still competing, especially in these established neighborhoods near transit and good schools, and that is what the semi-detached category is giving us right now. Detached homes, on the other hand, they are the heavyweight of the bunch. The GTA, they're holding their own. The price in Toronto specifically is actually going up right now. The median price is still 1.350, only down 2.4% year over year. Now they're still slightly down from last month, 2.4%, and only 6.9% year over year. The sales in this category, they're actually up 14.4% month over month. They're still down, of course, year over year. We're going to be down almost consistently across the board, but 28.5% of these are selling above asking right now. 68% selling below. Terminations here, it's a big number, 2635. That's actually up 21%. But this segment is very active. It's the tale of two different stories here. If you price your detached home extremely well, that thing is going to sell. It's going to get multiple offers. However, if you have an outdated property, maybe you're overpricing your listing, it's still going to sit there for weeks. Buyers in the detached category, they're showing up. Quality and value is getting the offers, and you're going to be able to sell these properties without a lot of hesitation. So what does this actually mean here? What's the big takeaway? Overall, prices, they're holding fairly steady. Volume, it's still way down from what it's been in the last few years, but condo listings, they continue to stack up every single month here. Many sellers, they're just struggling to adapt. Freehold homes, especially semis and detached, that's where this action is right now. Every bit of action is in those two categories. Terminations are one of the key things that we actually are coming across in every category. Terminations are just out of control because homes aren't selling as quickly. If you're looking to buy, this might be a good time to start negotiating, especially in that condo category, which we talk about every single video. And if you're selling, it means the takeaway is simple here. Price matters on your home more than ever. Position your home clearly with a good price, have it staged, have it looking beautiful, and it's going to sell without too many issues in the Toronto area. So ultimately, that's where we're at. April 2025 numbers show that the GTA market right now is fairly stable on the surface. It has some underlying issues, of course, in the condo side of things, but detached homes, they're moving. Inventory is stacking up on the condo space again, and buyers are getting more selective across the board. And if you're trying to figure out where you fit in this specific market, whether you're a first-time home buyer, you're planning to move up, I actually put together some free resources in the pinned comment and description box down below. Feel free, grab those up and get the most value you can out of there. Otherwise, I want to thank you so much once again for watching this video. I want to hear from you in the comment section down below. Based on what we're seeing, do you think the prices are headed up or are they headed down? Drop your take in the comment section down below because I actually read and respond to almost every single one. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.